Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today our topic is periodic classification of elements. Dear students, the elements are classified to simplify and systematize to simplify and systematize the study of known elements. Scientists made several attempts to classify the elements according to their properties and obtain an orderly arrangement out of chaos. This has been achieved by arranging the elements in such a way that similar elements are placed together while dissimilar elements are separated from one another. Dissimilar elements are separated from one another. This is known as classification of elements. The main object of classification of elements has been to make the study of chemistry of elements and their compounds simpler. The elements having similar properties are arranged together in several groups or families. So, if we know the properties of one member of a group, the properties of other members can be easily predicted. Some of the earlier attempts to classify the elements are: number 1, metals and non-metals. Among the earlier classification, Lavoisier classified the elements as metals and non-metals. However, this classification proved to be inadequate. This classification proved to be inadequate. In 1803, John Dalton published a table of relative atomic weights. Relative atomic weights, now called atomic masses. Now called atomic masses. This formed an important basis for classification of elements.